Hello dear colleagues, engineers. Technique number 40. Application of composite materials suggests us to move from homogeneous materials to composite. Composite materials are multi-component materials consisting as a rule of plastic base, the matrix, reinforced with fillers, it possessing high strength and rigidity. When does the need arise to avoid standard, well-known materials? When in its natural form there are incompatible requirements for existing materials, for example to be hard and light, light and durable. The combination of different substances leads to the creation of a new element with quantitatively and qualitatively different properties from the features of each of its components. You can set a wide range of materials with the required properties by varying the composition of the matrix and the filler, their relationship, the orientation of the filler. Many composites are superior to traditional materials and alloys in their mechanical properties, and at the same time they are lighter. The use of composite materials usually allows you to reduce the weight of the structure while maintaining or improving its mechanical characteristics. Composites in which the matrix is a polymer material are one of the most numerous and diverse types of materials. Their use in various areas gives a significant economic effect. For example, the use of polymeric composite materials in the production of space and aviation technology can save from 5 to 30% of the weight of the aircraft. Also, the reduction in weight of an artificial satellite in Earth orbit per 1 kilo leads to a saving of $1,000. Many different substances are used as polymer composite material fillers. There are fiberglass, carbon and plastic, polymers filled with powder textiles. There are well-known composite materials with a metal matrix and matrix based on ceramics. The reinforcement of ceramic materials with fibers, as well as metal and ceramic dispersed particles, allows obtaining high-strength composites. Reinforcement of ceramics with dispersed metal particles leads to new materials, cermets, with increased resistance, resistance to the thermal shocks, and high thermal conductivity. High-temperature cermets make parts for gas turbines, electric furnace fittings, parts for rocket and reactive technology. Hardware-resistant cermets are used to make cutting tools and parts. Besides, cermets are used in particular areas of technology. There are the fuel elements of nuclear reactors based on uranium oxide, friction materials for brake devices. These examples of applying the application of composite materials method have been shown to attract your attention to those actions and their sequences which you specify in the process of working on tasks in production. So first you should set the perfect final result and then choose the method that leads you precisely the way to an area with new ideas to solve a task or a problem. That's all for the technique application of composite materials. Have a practice this technique over the next day and it will become your reliable tool in non-solvable situations. And remember, there are no non-solvable situations. I know you can find a solution.